Assalamu alaikum. This is a lesson for class 4 science, chapter 2, growth and movement in living things. Living things and non-living things. Living things are quite different from non-living things. They have characteristics which non-living things do not. Plants and animals are living things. They are alive. Rocks, stones, pebbles, and sand are non-living things. Here there are some photographs of non-living things. What living things can do? Living things eat. Plants can make their own food. Animals eat plants and other animals. Living things breathe. They take in air to produce energy. The oxygen in the air changes the food inside their bodies to energy. Living things need energy for all their activities. Living things get rid of waste or unwanted things from the body. Living things are able to move. Plants can move some of their parts. Animals can move from place to place. Living things grow. They increase in size. They become heavier, like these plants. Living things can feel the changes around them. They can react to the changes. Movements in animals. Animals can move parts of their bodies. They can also move from one place to another. Animals have special body parts that help them to move. Fish have fins to swim in water. Birds and insects have wings to fly. This is fins of fish, and birds have wings. Butterfly have wings. Most animals like rabbits, monkeys, and kangaroos have legs to walk, hop, jump, or crawl on land. Some large animals like dolphins, whales, sharks, and seals have flippers to swim in water. Muscles. Muscles make your body move. Some of your muscles are joined to the bones. The point where two bones fit together is called a joint. For example, in your body, this part is joining two parts of the body with their bones. The framework of bone is called a skeleton. Bones move at the joints. Muscles help the bones to move by becoming shorter and fat. Some animals do not have bones inside their bodies. They have a hard outer covering. Muscles are attached to it. The hard outer covering is called an exoskeleton. Ants and cockroaches are examples of creatures that have exoskeleton. Some animals, like earthworm, do not have any bones or exoskeleton. Their bodies are soft. They use their muscles to crawl. The body of a caterpillar is soft. It is filled with a watery substance. This water supports its body and help it to move. These are the animals that have exoskeleton, and this earthworm do not have any bone or exoskeleton. Movements in plants. Plants are living things. They can move, but their movements are very slow. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Some tiny plants that live in water can move by themselves. They have an eye spot which helps them to know where the sunlight is. They swim towards the light using hair-like structure called flagellum. Examples of such plants are euglena and Chlamydomonas. Plants need light to make their food. The food of a plant is made in the leaves. The stem of a plant grows towards the light and the leaves turn to face the light. The roots of the plant are moved downwards to find soil and water. Some flowers open up in daylight and close at night, like sunflower. The sunflower turns its face towards the sun, and the leaves of touch me not plant close when they are touched.